Hi,
Hi all.
I am Vishanth.
I'm Gaurav.
And I am Shithiksh. We are all in grade 8 from Excel Public School, Mysore. Today, we are all excited to share our project with you, StellarChronos.
So, why did we choose to build StellarChronos? Well, we noticed a common problem among children, struggling to read analog clocks. With the digital age surrounding us, traditional clock reading skills are taking a back seat.
And that's a crucial skill. Reading time from an analog clock improves mathematical thinking. We wanted to bridge this gap and make learning analog time fun and interactive.
Absolutely. Now let's dive into our working prototype.
Our model consists of an Arduino Mega, a TM1637 clock module, 360 pulse rotary encoders, push buttons, switches, jumper wires, and LEDs, all working together to create an engaging learning experience.
Using push buttons, students input the time into the TM1637 clock module. Then they adjust the hour and minute hands on a two rotary encoders to match the selected time. It's operated in a 24-hour format for a comprehensive learning.
Students can toggle the switches to specify whether the time is in AM or PM. All these factors come together to find the time.
Once all set, the student presses the select button, initiating a comparison between the digital clock module, the physical positions of the hands, and the AM/PM selection.
If everything matches, the green LED lights up, indicating accurate synchronization.
But if there's a mismatch, the red LED glows, signifying a misalignment between the digital and analog representations.
What makes StellarChronos unique is its self-evaluation feature. Students can independently assess and validate their understanding of time synchronization.
And for our younger learners, we have introduced a two-phased analog clock. It's a unique approach to cater to different learning preferences, making the transition from digital to analog comprehension smoother.
So, in conclusion, StellarChronos is a tool for interactive learning and a step towards ensuring every child masters the art of reading analog time.
We hope StellarChronos finds its way into classrooms and homes, helping children unlock the world of analog time.
I came up with a survey tool for primary research and did secondary research.
I came up with the design and built the model of the integrated clock.
I took care of the Arduino programming and the electronic circuits.
Thank you.